So let's discuss the ranking, indices, and reports, the international reports. So one of the famous index or report, international report is Global Hunger Index of 2025. Now, Global Hunger Index 2025, this report is released by Concern Worldwide and Wealth Hunger Life. India's rank is 102nd out of 123 countries, and we have to remember that Somalia, an African country, it is at bottom. Now, the next report is Human Development Report 2025. So this is released by United Nations Development Programme, UNDP. India's rank is 130 out of 193, and Iceland is at top and South Sudan is at bottom. So Iceland is the top country and South Sudan is at bottom in the Human Development Report 2025. The next report is Global Innovation Index 2025. This is released by WIPO, World Intellectual Property Organization. India's rank is 38 out of 139 and Switzerland is top. Global Gender Gap Report 2025. It is released by WEF, World Economic Forum, and India's rank is 131st out of 148 countries. Again, Iceland is at top and Pakistan rank is 148th, means Pakistan is at bottom in the Global Gender Gap Index 2025. Now, Henley Passport Index 2026. This is released by Henley and Partners, and India's rank is 80th, and Singapore is at top. The World Competitiveness Ranking 2026. This is released by Institute for Management and Development, that is IMD. India's rank is 41st. Singapore is at first, and it has dethroned Switzerland. Means earlier Switzerland was at top, but the recent ranking of 2026 World Competitiveness, here Singapore is at first rank. Then the Climate Risk Index 2026. This is released by German Watch, and India's rank is 9th. The highest risk according to Climate Risk Index is to Dominica Republic, Myanmar and Honduras. So highest risk countries according to Climate Risk Index 2026 is Dominica, Myanmar and Honduras. Next is the Corruption Perception Index 2025. Now, Corruption Perception Index 2025, this is released by Transparency International. India's rank is 91st out of 182 countries. Denmark is at top. Somalia and South Sudan are at bottom. So in Corruption Perception Index, Denmark is at first rank. Somalia and South Sudan are at bottom. The Climate Change Performance Index, this is also released by German Watch and few other institutes like New Climate Institute and CAN. India's rank is 10th and Denmark is... one unique thing about Climate Change Performance Index is that no countries have been ranked at 1, 2 and 3. Denmark has secured 4th rank. So there are no countries in 1st, 2nd and 3rd rank. Denmark has secured itself 4th rank in the Climate Change Performance Index, and this is released by German Watch, New Climate Institute and CAN. And the rank of India is 10th here.